In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have your Google Calendar connected directly inside Notion using the official Notion connector. This is really helpful if you want your events and tasks in one place, so you're not jumping back and forth between different apps. First, open Notion and go to your home area. This is usually the main landing page when you log in, where you can see your sidebar, your recent pages, and your workspace options. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you actually want the Google Calendar connection to live. Next, look for the Settings option. This is typically found under your workspace name or avatar, usually on the left-hand side of the screen or in the top corner. Click on Settings to open up the Workspace Settings panel. This is where Notion lets you control things like members, security, and, in our case, integrations. Inside the Settings panel, find and click on the section labeled Connections. This is the area where Notion groups all third-party integrations and official connectors. If you've never used integrations before, this page might look pretty empty, and that's totally fine. From here, click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This will open the Notion Integrations Gallery, which is essentially a marketplace of apps and services that can plug into Notion. It may open in a new tab or window, depending on your browser, so don't worry if the view changes slightly. Once the gallery loads, use the search bar at the top and start typing in Google Calendar. You're looking for the Notion AI connector for Google Calendar. As you type, the list will filter down, and you should see the connector appear in the results. When you see Notion AI connector for Google Calendar in the list, click on it to open its detail page. Here you'll see a description of what the connector does and what kind of access it needs. Take a moment to skim this so you understand that it will sync your calendar data into Notion. On that connector page, click on the button that says Add to Notion. This will prompt you to authorize the connection. You may be asked to log into your Google account and choose which calendar to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions, making sure you grant access only to the account and calendars you actually want to use. Once the connector has been added,